Hi, Web 3.0. This is where a company designs, manufactures and produces a router. This router, it has many capabilities, more than what I'm saying just now. This is just a basic overview. Basically, you can link it to your computer, your house, your storage devices and information gathering devices in your house, and it will send and receive data, let's keep it simple, to and from your computer. A bit like an internet telephone connection, an internet cable connection, an internet satellite connection. The other function this router has is that it has a wireless telecommunication where it can send and receive data between itself and other routers of the same type. And it has the Web 3.0 protocol. These routers are intelligent routers, thus they can take your data, split it up into packets, and if there's 20 or 1,000 routers available, it can split the packets up amongst those routers and send it to the computer 2 miles away through all these routers, or 2 continents away through a mass of routers which people have bought, depending on, and reassemble it into the computer that it's meant for. So you can send and receive email, you can download podcasts, you can download whatever, you can upload whatever, just like the internet. But the cool thing about this internet is your router is the internet, so you've got it plugged into your wall and it's not connected to a telecommunications device at all. It's connected to other people's routers. In fact, the router stays on all the time, and only when you turn your computer or equipment on inside your house to access that internet can you access it. You see what I'm saying? It's on all the time, and other people can use that as a relay station even when your computer's not on, and it doesn't affect your data, and it's not. But there's like 2 separate things inside the router. There's 2 separate things. There's the Web 3.0 little bit, which just transfers data amongst the other routers, and then there's the router, which your computer or your house connects to. But you know, you stick this in your attic or on your roof, and it has a range of half a mile or a mile or 5 miles, however powerful we can make it for a cheap £100 price. And basically we make a network ourselves as normal human beings. You know, we're not snobby bastards and we can't afford everything. We can build a network ourselves, which you don't have to pay the telecom companies for, and we can set up Skype on it and stuff like that, and we can have completely free. We don't have to have a telephone line into our house to do it. We can now make our own free telephone calls, free internet access, everything free to do with telecommunications once enough of us buy it. You know, once we get 2 million units in England and 2 million units in France and 2 million units in Spain and Portugal and Germany and so on and so forth, then we've got a European network. And once we get them that same amount of numbers in all the African countries and Middle Eastern countries and Russia and China, we start to become a world network. And then once we fill in all those little gaps, we've got a true world internet network. Now, first it will start off as community networks, then it'll be country networks, then it'll be international networks, then it'll be intercontinental networks, and it'll be free. The only thing you'll pay for is the electricity to power these things. Instead of paying big telecoms companies for sticking these telephone masts outside your schools, which could or could not be radiating your child's heads. We've got these little ones which don't harm you anywhere near as much as those big ones do, if at all. Anyway, that's the idea. Web 3.0, free for all of mankind. It's a great idea. I'm just great. I think I should be given a Nobel Peace Prize now just for coming up with the idea and putting it on the internet for you to watch.